Hi, my phone stopped working. Can you help me?
Of course. What seems to be the problem?
It won't turn on, even after charging.
I see. Do you want me to repair it, or are you looking for a new phone?
I hope it can be fixed. How long will it take?
Usually about an hour. If the damage is serious, it might take longer.
All right, please go ahead. Can I wait here?
Yes, you can wait in our lounge. Coffee and Wi-Fi are available.
Thank you. I'll be back in about an hour.
No problem. See you soon.